we can see in the dark. We are rockets pointed up at the stars. What about us? What about all the times you said you had the answers?
Qué bonita la voz.
Qué bonita.
What about us? What about all the broken happy ever afters? Oh, what about us? What about all the pleasant ending disasters? Oh, what about love? What about trust? What about us? Sticks and stones, they may break these bones, but then are you ready? Are we ready? It's the start of us waking up, come on. Are you ready? Are we ready? I don't want control, I want to let go. 'Cause now it's time to let them know. What about us? What about all the times you said you had the answer? What about us? What about all the broken happy ever afters? What about us? 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 What about us?
¿Que todavía no te has suscrito al canal de YouTube de Family Duo? ¿Y a qué esperas? Anda, corre y suscríbete.